In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a document to a workspace in Google Drive using Google Workspace. To get started, open your Google Workspace account and sign in. Once you are on the main screen, look to the upper right side and click the Google Apps icon. From there, open Google Drive. This is where you will manage your files and access your shared work areas. There are two simple ways to add a document to a workspace in Google Drive, and I will walk you through both, so you can use whichever method feels easiest. First, let's look at how to add a file from within a workspace. In Google Drive, go to the left-hand navigation panel and click Workspaces. This will show you the list of available workspaces you have access to. Click the name of the workspace where you want to add your document. Once the workspace opens, click Add Files. A panel will appear on the right side of the screen. This panel lets you choose files from different locations, including recent, My Drive, and shared drives. This is helpful if you are not sure exactly where the document is stored, because you can browse the most relevant sections of Drive without leaving the workspace. Click the document or documents you want to add, so they become selected, and then click Insert. Your chosen files will now be added to that workspace. This method is especially useful when you already know which workspace you are working in and want to bring several files into it at once. Now let's go over the second method, which is adding a document by right-clicking the file directly. While browsing Google Drive, locate the document you want to add. This can be in My Drive or in Shared with Me depending on where the file is stored. Once you find the file, right-click it to open the menu from the options. Click Organize, then choose Add to Workspace. After that, select the specific workspace you want to place the document in. This method is quick and convenient when you come across a file first and want to assign it to a workspace without opening the workspace itself. Both options achieve the same result, so the best one really depends on how you prefer to work in Google Drive. If you are organizing from inside a workspace, use the Add Files option. If you are browsing files and want to sort them as you go, the right-click method can save time. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.